Hey guys, it's Angie. How is everyone today? So finally, I am going to do my 800 subscriber giveaway. Yay! I was supposed to do this last Friday and time got away from me. I've been super busy being a full-time reseller, but better late than never, as they say. This giveaway is for a $20 gift card of your choice, as long as I can electronically send it to you. So whoever the winner is, they can just pick the place that they want to get the gift card from and we'll get it right over to you. In order to win, you had to go to a video from last week and just make sure you're subscribed, you liked the video, and you made any comment. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here is the random comment picker. Okay, so I'm going to filter duplicate users, get YouTube comments, and good luck, everyone. Mini Mimi Thrifter, Faith. Congratulations, Faith. I'm so excited. That's awesome. Faith, just message me either on Instagram or at AngieResells@gmail.com and let me know where you would like your gift card sent to, and we'll get that right out. Now don't forget, guys, this is a small giveaway leading up to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which is going to be a brand new Rollo thermal printer. So excited. I can't wait for one of my subscribers to win that. It's going to be really awesome. And at 1,000 subscribers, we're going to have a little live party and just maybe give away some other prizes and just make it super fun, because I feel like that's just a real milestone that I've been trying to get to for this past year, and it's going to be super exciting. And mostly, guys, I just want to let you know how thankful I am to have you a part of my YouTube community. I have made such great friendships and built such a wonderful group of people that surround me every day in my full-time reseller business now, and I couldn't do it without you. So thank you so much, and for your kind words and your support and just being there every day. Okay, tomorrow, guys, I am going to be doing a video on my Goodwill bins haul. Let you know what I picked up. Not very many things, but a couple good ones. And don't forget, tomorrow night is my weekly live with Bobby the Cap Guy. We have so much fun. We usually end up staying on there about 3 hours just because you never know what we're going to end up talking about. If you are a late night person, on Saturdays, Emily Conway and I do Reseller SNL. That is 10 Eastern, 9 Central for all the people who like to hang out at night. And we have a pickle-tastic time every single Saturday. All right, we'll see everyone tomorrow. Until then, I'm Angie. I'm living the dream. Bye, guys.